Attorney General Pam Bondi testified before Congress for the first time since her confirmation hearing earlier this year. She repeatedly argued with Democrats who had questions about the direction of the Justice Department.
And Rhode Island Senator Sheldon Whitehouse pressed her on the Epstein files, and she rebutted with an accusation against him. Here's Matt Galka.
It's the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
The Attorney General sat in front of members of Congress and defended a number of controversial moves taken by the Justice Department during her tenure. She went on offense against Democrats while backing the DOJ.
Even when the government is otherwise shut down because of the Democrats, the department's law enforcement officers and prosecutors are hard at work fighting crime.
Democratic senators peppered Bondi about weaponizing the Justice Department, citing the recent indictment of former FBI Director James Comey over allegations he lied to Congress. Days before the indictment, the president publicly asked Bondi to pursue charges against his political enemies.
He told you very directly to indict James Comey, which is weaponization of the Department of Justice.
I find it so interesting that you didn't bring any of this up during President Biden's administration when he was doing everything to protect Hunter Biden, his son.
Bondi and Republican senators went on the attack over allegations the FBI under the Biden administration abused its power and gathered intelligence on Republican members of Congress as part of the investigation into the January 6th Capitol riots. She defended the deployment of National Guardsmen to American cities while also trying to fend off criticisms of how her office has handled files related to accused underage sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein.
There's been public reporting that Jeffrey Epstein showed people photos of President Trump with half-naked young women. Do you know if the FBI found those photographs?
You sit here and make salacious remarks, once again trying to slander President Trump left and right, when you're the one who was taking money from one of Epstein's closest confidants, I believe.
Ahead of the hearing, nearly 300 former DOJ employees signed on to a letter asking Congress for more oversight of the Justice Department, accusing the current administration of carrying out retribution campaigns and ignoring the rule of law. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Galka.
That was a big accusation that the AG made against Senator Whitehouse, so we reached out to Senator Whitehouse about that claim. He told us that he's never accepted a dime from a man by the name of Reid Hoffman.